guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add GIF to TikTok comments. So the first thing we are going to do is click on your TikTok app. Yeah, so you just have to scroll and look for the comments you want to send the GIF to, just like this, and you click on it. Then you click on this emoji right here on your screen. Click on it, and this is where the GIF is supposed to show, and it's where it's supposed to be. But if you can't find this, meaning it is not available in your region, as you can see, it's not available in my region as well. Maybe you might just go to Play Store and just try to update your TikTok app as well to see if it's going to be available, TikTok, and you just install it. Once it's installed, you open it up and go back to TikTok once more to try if it's now available on your region. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.